Today we're talking all about Valentines. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from the beardedhousewife.com, the blog and YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to talk about easy DIY Valentines that you can make on your CRICUT. These are really simple to put together. They are a lot different from the same old ones that you see at the grocery stores because you made them yourself. It's a really easy, simple process. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file, and then we'll head over to Design Space and we'll get started making them.
Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out a form, and then you'll be emailed the password to the file library. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library, and after you type in the password, hit Enter, you'll be brought to all the files. You're going to head to number 62, which is the Valentine's Matchbox. Click on that link and download it to your computer, and then we can open up Design Space and get started. Okay, so we have a new canvas open in Design Space. We're going to go to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file, and click Open, and then Save. Highlight that image, and then click Insert Image. It'll bring it into our canvas. And if you don't want the tags that I included with the Valentine's boxes, you can just head on up to Make It from here. But if you want to use the tags, we need to bring that into our design. So we're going to go back to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse, and then find the PNG file, which is titled under the file Tags. Then highlight Complex and Continue. Click the magic wand up here in the left, and then anywhere where there's the grayed out portion, click on that, and then click Continue. Make sure that Print and Cut is selected, and then click Save. Highlight that image, and click Insert Image. Bring this over here. Alright, so you need to change the size of your image. You want to change it to 6.25 inches high. Make sure that you don't unlock the image so that it doesn't distort it at all. Alright, that looks good. Now we can head up to the Make It button, click that button, and you will see the Print and Cut image here. Click Continue. You're going to want to click Send to Printer. Make sure that the bleed is on, and then click Print. Once your Print and Cut image has been printed, you can select your materials, and then we can go from there. Alright, for this project we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our cardstock, our Print and Cut image, the scoring wheel or stylus, CRICUT scraper, and glue or adhesive. Alright, I'm going to get everything loaded and cut out, and I will see you when we're all finished. Alright, now that everything has been cut, we're going to go ahead and get started here. Sorry about my camera, it's a little shaky. I bumped the table on accident. So we're going to start by gently folding along the score lines of the sleeve portion of this box. And now I'm going to press all of those folds with the scraper to make sure that they're nice and crisp. There we go. Now I'm going to grab my glue, and you can use glue or adhesive. For these, probably when I make them for my daughter for her school projects or for her school party, I'm going to use adhesive just so I don't have to hold the glue and everything together. So add glue to that tab, and then bring the other side of the box sleeve over and meet the edges together. This will form the sleeve. I always like to give everything a nice fold just to make sure that it goes in place. Alright, now we can take our print and cut tag. For this one I'm just going to add my daughter's name and then my name. Flip the tag over. Add some glue to the back. And then place it on top of the sleeve. Press it down. Alright, our sleeve is done. I'm going to set that to the side and work on the tray portion. So same thing, we're going to go and fold gently along all of the score lines. And now I'm going to take my scraper and press all of those folds. I'm going to grab my glue and I'm going to add glue to all of the tabs. There are 4 total. I find it best if you do 2 at a time, but it's totally up to you. And then bring the sidewalls up and then press the glue onto the sidewall to form the box. Make sure that it's lined up properly. Can you see that there? That's a little bit better. There we go. Do the same thing for the other side. Alright, now we're going to take some glue and put that on the inside flap for the box. You see that there? And then fold that down and press against the wall there. This covers up all of the tabs so it looks nice and clean on the inside. And when you do this part, you want to make sure that you push down. There's a little, very, very small little tab there that fits into a slit in the box. And there we go. Your box is ready to fill with all kinds of goodies.
What did you guys think? Aren't they easy to put together? I really think that the kids will have a good time putting them together with you. They can be writing out who they're to and then signing their name, and then they can also help you put the boxes together, you know, with your supervision. But I think that they'll like the process. I know that my daughter really liked putting hers together for her class. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so that you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other tutorials there, lots of different cards, lots of good stuff for you. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you all later. Bye.